strainer. Okay guys, bye, see you. That one guys, modification for L filter. You see that guys? This now is I think 80 psi sanction for that.
Tapos yun.
And this is the car, Lexus car. The sanction for transmission oil is not sanctioned very much. That's why we need to fabricate the filter, remove the cloth, and then we put it the strainer wire. And that is, guys, see you.